Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for a thundering clap for architect Shrinkhala Khatiwada.
Platform to speak with you all today. Monday, highway, God, I do absolutely this presentation for me, where you can be highway, expired 8 years and so. I keep on here, associated with presentation there, okay, I'll get straight to the point early morning, so I'm sure we have things to do. Next slide, please. Hi. So, I am here to present two things. One, engineering education in Nepal and its international recognition. And second, professional opportunities in the global scenario. Next slide, please. So, the biggest question in this room right now, right? Is the Nepali degree recognized globally? That's a big question for all of us in this room right now. Next slide. And the answer is yes. My school pani Nepali पढेँ, मैले plus 2 पनि नेपाली गरेर नेपाली युनिभर्सिटीबाट डिग्री लिएर म डिरेक्टली हार्वर्ड युनिभर्सिटी जान सकेँ किन भन्दा नेपालको डिग्री रेकग्नाइज थियो त्यसैले निसन्देह म भन्न सक्छु मेरो पर्सनल एक्सपिरियन्स that yes नेपाली degrees are recognized globally. My first year of school मेरो हार्वर्डमा मेरो ग्रेजुएसन डेको फोटो राखेर this is like a proof for all of you that pursue your passion in Nepal and do not be worried about the social myths that Nepali degree is not recognized. Next slide, please. Not just me, actually thousands of students go abroad every year to pursue higher education from Nepal. Bachelor's सकाएर धेरैजना विदेश जानुभएको छ र धेरैजनाले scholarships stipends पाएर एकदमै attractive packages लिएर विदेश पढ्न जानुभएको छ नेपालको डिग्री लिएर. So I'm not just alone, there are thousands and thousands of individuals who have done the same. Next slide, please. But of course, I want to be honest with you all. Our universities are not perfect. My university is perfect, I don't want to mislead you all. But our university internationally capable is wrong. Our university is better. Our leaders are leading Nepali institutions. We can afford to better to make our international presence felt. And there are research for papers so that there are more citations outside Nepali universities for rankings. Engineering in Nepali field, research is how we can work on it. Nepal teaching learning, pedagogy, there is a need for critical thinking. And we have critical thinking to come in Humble universities a need of advanced technological education which is happening, but I feel like we can do better. These are my honest experiences that I want to share with you all, but these are the things that you can improve very easily. Next slide, please. Meanwhile, make the best of what you have. We have good institutions, we have good curriculums, we have great professors, we have good infrastructure, which can do better, but for now, I think we are doing pretty well comparatively to the rest of the world. So make the best of what you have. You have phones, you have laptops in your hand, you have internet, whatever. You said the world is within your reach. Do not let these little things take you away from what you can actually achieve and accomplish in life. Next slide, please. So I compared the syllabus of the Nepali University with the University of Florida for Bachelor's in Architecture, and to my pleasant surprise, curriculum is खासै मैले फरक पाएँ. भनेपछि curriculum नेपालको एकदम राम्रो रहेछ. हामीले what are we teaching our students, we are up to par. In fact, मैले पुस्तकै पढिसकेपछि म जब हार्वर्ड गएँ chemistry theory of urban planning जस्ता धेरै सब्जेक्टहरु चाहिँ मैले अलरेडी ब्याचलर पढिसकेको छु. तर मैले the impact on me was not the same because as a student पनि मैले त्यति रहर लाएर पढेको रहेनछु नेपालमा सेम क्लासेस जस्तो मैले हार्वर्डमा टाइम दिएर पढेँ. So curriculum we are actually not far behind. एकदमै comparable छ. under curriculum. Next slide, please. But again, there's a caveat there. But our focus, both as students and as universities and teachers, is disproportionately on the what and not the how. So curriculums are separate, but how do we get this education across to students? How do we build communication between universities, teachers and students? Teaching learning the process matters totally. I believe our universities can do much better, and we are already at the top ranking in terms of curriculum. Just a little bit of difference, and we can make it on a long way. Next slide, please. So moving on, what are the professional opportunities that we can have with a Nepali degree after graduation? Which is again a very big question I'm sure you all have right now. I had it too before I joined the Nepali University. So I just want to walk you through what I know, my personal experiences. Next slide. Again, another important line I want you all to remember. Being an engineer alone does not guarantee a good life anymore. In fact, no profession does anywhere in the world. Just a doctor, engineer, your life is set is a myth. In fact, no profession can guarantee you that. भन्नुको मतलब सबै कुरा हजुरको हातमा पनि छ डिग्री मात्र लिएर जति नै सुकै ठुलो डिग्री लिनुहोस् जति नै सुकै ठुलो युनिभर्सिटीको डिग्री लिनुहोस् if you don't make a good use out of it, your degrees do not matter. That's why it's a globally competent world. By the way, and humble request to not just rely on degrees, whatever it may be, it's up to you at the end of the day what you make out of the degree. Next slide, please. So, after graduation, Nepali degrees now what can you do in Nepal, right? There are three straightforward paths. Of course, the paths are some, but three very straightforward paths. One, we can do government jobs, we can apply for government jobs. Government of Nepal को लागि engineer काम गर्न सक्छौं. Second, नेपालमा धेरै private engineering architecture firmsहरु छन्. मैले आफैले एउटा architecture firm पनि सुरु गरेको छु. त्यहाँ धेरै थोरै architects engineersहरु काम गर्नुहुन्छ. Hopefully more jobs will open up in the future. Second path यो भयो. The third path भनेको चाहिँ you can start your own engineering practice. तीनटा straightforward pathsहरु छन्. Next slide, please. But the common challenge is jobs Nepalma गर्दाखेरि the salary is not enough. Unfortunately, that is true. But enough till I भन्ने the first two paths को लागि जुन government jobs and private jobs हरुको लागि straightforward salary हिसाब गर्नुहुन्छ भने एकदमै good quality luxurious life को लागि it might not seem enough. But the third path that I mentioned earlier, that you can start your own engineering and architecture practice as well. This month you can reach far ahead. But salary को हिसाबमा I have to be honest with you all. Right now, salary चाहिँ अझै better हुन सक्छ. Next slide, please. So global opportunities. Nepali degree लिएर what can you do globally, right? It's a global world right now. Nepali engineering degree लिएर what can you do next? Top paths from what I've seen in my life and मेरो साथीभाइहरुको मेरो colleaguesहरुको one is research. धेरै नेपालीहरु नेपालमा bachelor's degree लिएर even master's degree लिएर PhD को लागि research को लागि चाहिँ world wide research institutes lead गरिरहनु भएको छ. जुन PhD भनेको छ PhD is actually a research, right? Research को PhD भनेको छ. धेरै जनाहरु चाहिँ research को लागि पनि globally काम गरिरहनु भएको छ. Second भनेको you can work in private engineering and architecture firms. नेपालमा जस्तै विदेशमा पनि architecture firmsहरु छन्. त्यहाँ पनि हामी apply गरेर काम गर्न सक्छौं. We can work in consulting, in McKinsey, Deloitte, or I don't know, World Bank, EDB. You might have heard of these names. You can work as a consultant in these fields. Also, in the non-profit sector, and of course, internationally, government jobs. First, to research type onwards, and the visa situation could be tricky, but it's doable, and these are still global opportunities for us all, and not just Australia, America, Japan, Middle East, and the engineers are opportunities, and in fact, working visa is easier there. Temporary work visa, you can also go there. Next slide, please. But again, how do we get these jobs, right? One of the easy, consulting, World Bank, all these things. But how do you actually get these jobs with an engineering degree in Nepal? Next slide. build your competence for the international job market. You're not just competing with your colleagues anymore. You're not just competing with your classmates anymore. You are a global citizen. As global citizen, opportunities globally, you can make it globally. The world is an oyster right now for you. You can be a global engineer, but the competition is also worldwide. Globally, that's students are competing right now, and I want you all to build a global competence no matter where you study. Next slide, please. And how do you do that, right? How do you build a global competence? मेरो experience with innovation is very, very important, and innovation can have multiple meanings. I want to share an example with you all. You say, long project that we are doing from my architecture from Dhaka. This might say the ramp technology used but the walls are available. It's not a brick wall, it's not a concrete wall. And RCC ramp it's compact, you can make walls out of it, you can make a building out of it. It's a sustainable building construction technology. I'm very, very excited about this technology in Nepal. World Hospitals on the international awards this technology has actually won many awards worldwide. Commercially, push to my clients. Why? It's the technology there is not enough innovation here. And we're building span now we can't be flexible. It's limited matter span. We already want a door window, strict guidelines. But if I was able to have flexibility in that very sustainable technology, I could have pushed it further. So innovation because there is room for innovation everywhere. You just need to identify it. Nepali there is a ton of opportunity for innovation here. And as Nepali engineers who will study hopefully in Nepal in the future, you can identify these better than anyone else in the world, right? So we can do it ourselves. Next slide, please. And also important thing is identify your personal interest and develop an expertise while in college. What does that mean? I'm every degree graduated. So I remember I'm 48 when I graduated from architecture school in Nepal. 48 had the same set of classes that you took. Otherwise, we all took the same set of classes. We all got the same degree. Same degree around that. So now when I look back, retrospectively, who made it further in their careers? That's people who developed an expertise while they were at college. I had friends who presented things like computer graphics, all such things that they were okay, but they had this niche in computer graphics, and now they're leading in a very popular and internationally recognized architecture firm. Or we had very good leadership skills, PR skills. Architecture firm, they're doing amazing right now. So it's so exciting that those who actually created their own niche and expertise when they were at school, graduation, they did tremendously well. I was pretty good at PR actually. My college exhibition, I was the PR head. I was confident to go out and speak in college events or classes. They still I just love going to step on my back later. I feel confidence So these expertise really matter, and I want you all to build it when you're at college. After niche identify, niche identify your passion. Classmates passion build upon that and develop your niche. Next slide, please. And finally, expand your scope as an engineer. Engineering is not just a technical subject. Engineering covers a various variety of topics and fields, and I want you all to remember that. Engineering, it's not going to take you far along. If you really want to do good in life, how can you do this? Understand the social, political, and economic scenarios as well. Classes you'll realize it later, but I remember when I was in school, there used to be classes like sociology, psychology, economics, classes, particularly art history, but for some reason we always put it in the back seat. This is not important. So that was extremely wrong of me and my classmates to say that, because engineering is so much more than technical. As an engineer, you will be contributing to the society. Infrastructure build buildings build highways build software skills development, which is going to affect the society as a whole. So I want you all to be cognizant that being an engineer is an engineer is an integral part of the society, and you actually contribute to the social, political, and economic scenario, and vice versa. So future understanding is second, build your soft skills alongside your technical skills too. The soft skills are leadership, negotiation, and communication. These are three very important things that I want you all to develop. Also, participate in global forums and be updated about global practices. You have internet, you have laptop, and you have mobile phones in your hand. You do not have an excuse that I'm not, Nepal or no. You have all the resources that you need, and I want you all to have a global exposure in whatever capacity or form it may be. And fourth, start clubs, take personal initiatives, and organize. Don't do that. You may start to organize, find like-minded people, and build on your niche and expertise by forming clubs and doing events, and actually being a part of the community. Next slide, please. Now finally, what are the international opportunities in Nepal? Global, Nepal, but there is this third interesting fact that has recently come forward, that's international opportunities in Nepal. Freelance remote work गर्न सक्छौं. Start a global outsourcing company, export your technology, source global works for your company. Next slide, please. So, what actually changed recently that has made international opportunities in Nepal so viable and so lucrative? That we can say, it's after COVID, remote working has become a norm, right? As called office where physically present in the world. If you have internet, if you have laptop, you can work for your office from anywhere in the world. So remote working is COVID पछि आएको एउटा silver lining भन्न चाहन्छु. त्यसको कारणले चाहिँ now Nepali people have opportunity to work for international firms from Nepal. यो चाहिँ एकदम राम्रो opportunity आएको छ नेपालमा. In fact, I'll be honest with you all, नेपाल फिर्ता आउनुको एउटा महत्त्वपूर्ण graduation सकिने बित्तिकै आउनुको एउटा महत्त्वपूर्ण बाटो यो पनि थियो. That I saw a lot of opportunity in Nepal in this field. Kiन Nepal? Why is Nepal feasible for international jobs? And that's in Nepal. The service salary, cost of service is cheaper worldwide. Dollar value is more in Nepal than anywhere else in the world, in the developed world. But if America $1 को जति भाव छ, Nepal you can get a lot more out of the same dollar. $1,000 a month pay गरे भने पनि this is a very good opportunity for Nepali engineers and architects. At the same time, international firms are also happy because they get services for cheaper, right? त्यही भएको कारणले चाहिँ नेपालमा अहिले there is an immense potential for international jobs. यो तल मैले एक्जाम्पल दिएको चाहिँ टग वर्क भनेको मेरो फ्रेन्ड एकजना मसँगै पढ्नुभएको नेपालमै पढ्नुभएको इनफ्याक्ट मेरो ब्याचको साथी कम्प्युटर इन्जिनियर ग्रेजुएसन पछि 3-4जना साथी मिलेर यो कम्पनी खोल्यो. अहिले लगभग 70जना काम गर्नुहुन्छ यो कम्पनीमा. सबै इन्टरनेसनल प्रोजेक्ट्सहरू लिनुहुन्छ. These are the list of projects, companies that I worked for so far. And he and his team is an inspiration for me to see an immense potential that Nepal has with Nepali degrees and Nepali mastery. So, next slide, please. So the problem became an opportunity. Remember in the first slide I told you Nepal's salary is low, but we say like an opportunity to the CEO. The only upgrade the salary is better balance by doing an international work. The challenge could now become an opportunity, and you all could be the ones leading this industry. Next slide, please. So life after graduation, this is my personal summarization of how I've seen it. Nepalमा काम गर्ने भयो भने you have to build your own path. आफै मेहनत गर्नुपर्छ, बाटो आफै बनाउनुपर्छ. But once you cracked it, the growth potential is much larger and faster in Nepal. And I can say it myself because I came back with a Harvard degree with zero experience working abroad because Nepal only really potential. Second, globally, the opportunities are pretty straightforward. You need to work hard, you need to work smart, and you will get to a good place in life. And third, international opportunities, which I think is possibly the best path to pursue while you can. Next slide, please. So finally, I want to leave with this note that today Nepalese are leading worldwide research institutions, and you can be one of them too. Today, Nepalese are leading large private engineering and architecture firms, and you can be one of them too. And tomorrow, Nepalese will be leading in technical innovation and design, and you could be one of them too. Thank you so much.